Sleep is a universal experience. Everyone, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals, needs sleep. Yet despite its importance, sleep remains a mystery. Why do we spend a third of our lives tucked under blankets, slipping into unconsciousness? Scientists have asked this question for centuries. Sleep is a fascinating and complex process. People often take sleep for granted. It's something we do every night without a second thought. But the importance of sleep can't be overstated. It's essential for our health, mood, and overall well-being. Sleep affects every aspect of our lives. Without it, we can't function properly. Many of us know the feeling of waking up refreshed after a good night's sleep. The world seems brighter and we feel more energetic. Conversely, a bad night's sleep leaves us groggy and irritable. These experiences highlight just how powerful sleep is. It shapes our days in more ways than we realize.
The sleep cycle is divided into two main types: REM, which stands for rapid eye movement, and non-REM sleep. Each serves a unique purpose. Non-REM sleep has 3 stages, getting progressively deeper. REM sleep is when we dream the most. Both are crucial for our well-being. The first stage of non-REM sleep is light sleep. This is when we can be easily awakened. Our muscles relax and our heart rate slows down. The second stage is slightly deeper and our body temperature drops. During this stage, brain activity starts to decrease. The third stage is the deepest. Here, our body repairs itself, and brain waves slow to their lowest frequency. REM sleep is fascinating. It usually starts about 90 minutes after we fall asleep. During REM, our eyes move rapidly, and our brain activity is similar to when we're awake. This is when most of our vivid dreams occur. REM sleep plays a key role in learning and memory. Understanding the sleep cycle helps us appreciate the complexity of sleep. Every stage has a purpose. Each stage contributes to our physical and mental health. This intricate process is what makes sleep so vital for our survival.
REM sleep is often called the dream stage. It's magical for many reasons. During REM, our brain processes and organizes information. Studies show that REM sleep helps us consolidate memories. It also aids in problem solving. Ever gone to bed with a problem and woken up with a solution? That's REM sleep at work. REM sleep also boosts creativity. Lastly, it's essential for emotional regulation. This highlights the importance of getting enough of this magical stage of sleep.
Non-REM sleep is the body's time for repair. It's like a nightly tune-up. During the deepest stages of non-REM sleep, our body goes into repair mode. Cells regenerate and tissues heal. This is crucial for physical health. One of the most important functions of non-REM sleep is cellular repair. Our cells undergo wear and tear throughout the day. Non-REM sleep allows them to repair and rejuvenate. This is essential for maintaining healthy tissues and organs. Non-REM sleep also boosts the immune system. During deep sleep, our body produces cytokines. These are proteins that help fight infections and inflammation. Getting enough non-REM sleep can make us less susceptible to illnesses. Lastly, non-REM sleep helps regulate hormones. It plays a role in balancing hormones like insulin and cortisol. Proper hormone regulation is vital for many bodily functions. This shows how non-REM sleep is essential for overall physical health.
Section 5. Cognitive benefits of a good night's sleep. A good night's sleep does wonders for the brain. It's essential for cognitive functions. One of the most significant benefits is memory consolidation. Sleep helps us process and store information. This makes learning more effective. Another cognitive benefit is improved focus and attention. When we're well rested, we can concentrate better. This is crucial for productivity. Whether at work, school, or home, a well-rested brain performs better. Sleep also enhances problem-solving skills. A rested brain can think more clearly and creatively. This helps us tackle challenges more effectively. Studies show that people who get enough sleep perform better on tasks requiring critical thinking. Lastly, sleep improves decision-making. When we're sleep-deprived, we're more likely to make impulsive decisions. A good night's sleep ensures that we think things through. This highlights the cognitive benefits of prioritizing sleep.
Section 6. Emotional stability and sleep. Sleep plays a critical role in emotional stability. When we get enough sleep, we're better equipped to handle stress. We're less likely to feel overwhelmed. This is because sleep helps regulate our emotions. One of the key ways sleep affects emotions is through mood regulation. A good night's sleep can improve our mood significantly. On the other hand, lack of sleep can lead to irritability and mood swings. This shows how crucial sleep is for emotional well-being. Sleep also reduces the risk of mental health issues. Studies show that people who get enough sleep are less likely to suffer from depression and anxiety. This highlights the importance of sleep for mental health. Lastly, sleep helps us build emotional resilience. It allows us to process our emotions and cope with life's challenges. This makes us more resilient and better able to bounce back from setbacks. Prioritizing sleep can lead to a more emotionally stable life.
Section 7. The dangers of sleep deprivation. Sleep deprivation is dangerous. It affects both our physical and mental health. Reduced cognitive function is an immediate effect. Our brain doesn't work as well when sleep deprived. It weakens the immune system, making us more susceptible to illnesses, increases risk of chronic conditions like heart disease. Sleep is crucial for overall health. It affects mood, making us irritable, prone to mood swings, increases risk of accidents, slows down reaction times, highlights the importance of enough sleep.
Section 8. Real-life stories of sleep deprivation. Real-life stories highlight the impact of sleep deprivation. Take the case of Randy Gardner. In 1964, he stayed awake for 11 days for a science fair project. By the end, he was hallucinating and had severe cognitive impairments. This shows how lack of sleep affects the brain. Another example is the Chernobyl disaster. Investigations revealed that sleep-deprived workers made critical errors. This led to the catastrophic nuclear accident. It highlights how lack of sleep can have disastrous consequences. Consider the story of a truck driver who fell asleep at the wheel. He had not slept for over 24 hours. The resulting accident caused significant damage and injuries. This tragic story underscores the dangers of sleep deprivation in everyday life. Lastly, there's the case of a medical resident working long hours. Sleep deprivation affected her performance, leading to mistakes in patient care. This example shows how lack of sleep can compromise professional responsibility and endanger lives.
Section 9. Scientific studies on sleep. Scientific studies provide evidence of sleep's importance. One study by Harvard Medical School found that sleep improves memory. Participants who slept after learning new information perform better on tests. This shows how sleep aids in memory consolidation. Another study by the National Institutes of Health found that sleep boosts the immune system. Participants who got enough sleep had a stronger immune response to vaccines. This research highlights the role of sleep in maintaining health. A study by the University of California, Berkeley, explored sleep and emotional regulation. Researchers found that sleep-deprived individuals had heightened emotional responses. This indicates that sleep is crucial for emotional stability. Lastly, a study published in the journal Sleep found that sleep deprivation affects cognitive function. Participants who were sleep-deprived performed worse on tasks requiring attention and problem-solving. This study underscores the cognitive benefits of sleep.
Section 10. Practical tips for better sleep. Improving sleep hygiene can enhance the quality of sleep. One practical tip is to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate the body's internal clock. Another tip is to create a relaxing bedtime routine. Activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music can signal the body that it's time to sleep. This helps create a peaceful transition from wakefulness to sleep. It's also important to create a sleep-friendly environment. This means keeping the bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows can also make a big difference. Lastly, limiting exposure to screens before bed is essential. The blue light from phones and computers can interfere with the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Avoiding screens at least an hour before bed can promote better sleep. Section 11. Making sleep a priority. Making sleep a priority is crucial for overall well-being. It's essential to recognize that sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity. It impacts every aspect of our lives, from physical health to emotional stability. One way to prioritize sleep is by setting boundaries. This means saying no to late-night activities that interfere with sleep. It's also important to educate ourselves about the benefits of sleep. Understanding its importance can motivate us to make it a priority. Another way to prioritize sleep is by creating a sleep-friendly routine. This includes maintaining a consistent sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine. It also means making lifestyle changes that promote better sleep, like reducing caffeine intake and getting regular exercise. Lastly, it's important to seek help if we're struggling with sleep. Consulting a healthcare professional can provide valuable insights and solutions. Prioritizing sleep can lead to a healthier, happier life. It's a small change with big rewards.